Hi guys, I am back with another video. My name is Rajshri Asati and I am the creator of Business Mindset page. I am back with another useful exercise that you can really utilize in your daily lives to increase your productivity. So the first thing that we'll be discussing today is why this exercise is so important for us. Second will be what is basically this exercise is all about. Third is what happens when you do this exercise, and fourth is what I am personally doing in my daily life regarding this exercise, and how am I following it in my routine. So this exercise is suggested in a book called The 4 Hour Work Week, which I am currently reading, and that is a book by Tim Ferriss. It is a beautiful book, and it says that we should all go on a low information diet. We all know that we consume so much of irrelevant information daily, and that is the kind of unnecessary for us. Only 1% of this information that we consume every day is really useful for us, and we'll still subconsciously consume it in our daily lives, and we really clutter our minds. And also, along with being irrelevant, that is the kind of information we that is out of our influence. We are not able to influence that much, that information, so much so that it really affects us emotionally, and we get connected with it in a lot of ways, right? So, in the fast or a low information diet that is followed for at least 1 week, what happens is that you have to block yourself from all those websites, the social media platforms, etc., from which you consume so much of irrelevant information daily. And the main purpose here is to free yourself with a lot of free time to invest in yourself or learn the relevant information that you really need. You just cannot listen to news in these 1 week. You only have to read headlines of news that you are really interested in, or if you want to know about so much, right? And you are not allowed to surf Instagram because it is really providing you with a lot of clutter, and it definitely hinders your productivity of your day, because you just go on and on with Instagram, and we all know that you just cannot lie to yourself, right? And fourth is, you can listen to music, you can listen to podcasts, or you just can go through YouTube tutorials, which will definitely help you with your skills or your knowledge. These are totally allowed in this 1 week. Only this exercise is only for just 1 week, and now I am going to tell you why is that exercise so important. The first reason is that it makes your mind negative. All this news about COVID-19 and Sushant Singh Rajput and the India-China war and everything, all of these news really make your thoughts negative. And what happens with negative thoughts is you procrastinate and you doubt yourself so much so that you wait for the right time to come to pursue your dreams, or to do that thing that you have always wanted to do, because you are told that this COVID-19 is here and it has destroyed so many lives and everything else, and the GDP is going down, and you also start thinking in that negative manner, where you just cannot see your growth. You only see the negativity that is around us, and that what is being fed to you. you know um, Tony Robbins also suggests it, and advises it that we should not listen to news altogether, literally, because what happens is these news channels feed us with so much negativity each day, and we really become negative in all the aspects of our life, and we start seeing the world as if being so much negative, and we start hating it so much that we do not want to do anything for ourselves, and this hinders our growth. We do not work to in our path or whatever we think is right. We always wait for the right time to come. For example, many of you might be waiting for when the corona gets over, I will do this, or when the corona gets over, I will do that. And it doesn't happen. That perfect time doesn't really come. So you should really avoid yourself from listening to such news or information that fills you with negativity, and because you want to increase your productivity daily. You only have 24 hours each day, and you should utilize it to the maximum potential manner. You just cannot wait for the right time, and follow this exercise for 1 week and you will really see the results. You will be very efficient. You will have a lot of free time with yourselves to focus on the skills that you really like. And what I am personally doing is I have stopped following any corona updates or any updates on Sushant Singh Rajput. And since the 25 to 30 days I haven't watched any news specifically. I go through headlines and everything because I want to be updated a little bit about what is happening in the world. Or what I do is I ask my siblings about what is going on and everything in the world, and they fill me up with the most relevant information possible. That is what you can implement in your life so as to stay away from the negative news and the negativity that is surrounding you by the news that you really listen to. So this is the media fast challenge, or the exercise that I wanted to share with you all. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this exercise, and see you next time.